Hi, and a very warm welcome. My name is Gaia, and this is our 10-minute daily morning yin yoga class. We'll begin in Bananasana, banana pose. So make your way onto your back. Extend your legs long and bring your feet over to the bottom right of the mat. Option to cross at the ankles. And then scoot your upper body over to the right as well, keeping your hips nicely planted as they are. And you can extend your arms overhead in whichever way suits you best. Gently make your way back to center and then move over to the other side. Bringing your feet to the bottom left of your mat, maybe crossing at the ankles, scooting your body over to the left, keeping the hips planted, and extending the arms overhead in whichever way is best for you this morning. Gently return back to center and then roll onto your side and come into tabletop. Your knees under the hips, wrists under the shoulders, and we'll move into Anahatasana, melting heart. Walking the hands out in front of you, keeping your hips stacked over your knees, lower your forehead down to the mat.
Slowly and with control, slide yourself forward into Salamba Bhujangasana, Sphinx pose.
Coming onto your bellies, elbows under the shoulders, press through your feet, press through your pubic bone, shine the chest forward, moving your shoulders away from your ears. Gently release yourself from the pose and press up into a seat. Come into Sukhasana, spine tall, grow tall through the crown of your head, and we'll finish with a neck stretch, dropping the right ear to the right shoulder. Make sure both shoulders are lowered, and you can extend your left arm out to the mat, feeling a beautiful stretch through the left side of your neck. With your right hand, return your head back to center, and we'll do the same on the other side. Checking in with the shoulders, maybe giving them a roll, dropping them down, and then dropping left ear to the left shoulder, and maybe extending the right arm down to the mat, creating some extra length and extra stretch. With the help of your left hand, return your head back to center. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. And let's close our practice with gratitude, thanking yourself for this time on the mat, for starting your day by doing something wonderful for yourself, and just gratitude for having this day, for having the opportunity to enjoy all the beautiful things life has to bring. Let's take one deep inhale in through the nose, inhaling the gratitude. and a cleansing exhale out through the mouth. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you.